What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your can't install Facebook Messenger error in Google Play Store. So there's multiple ways on how you guys can fix this problem, and I'm going to be going through them step by step so you guys can fix this problem. So before that, so if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's get into the video without any further ado. First step, open your Google Play Store and make sure to check if your internet connection is fast or not. Because sometimes you can't download Facebook Messenger due to your slow internet connection. So make sure if your internet connection is stable. If it is slow, that's the reason. Alright? And to check your internet connection speed, just go to YouTube, try to play a video. If it doesn't plays and it loads for a long time, like for 1 or 2 minutes, then it's of course your internet. But if it plays instantly, even in like HD quality, it's not your internet, alright? So if it is not your internet, come to your Google Play Store, click on this icon over here, and click on where it says setting over here, and where it says network preferences, click on it, click on network, and then click on app download preference. Make sure over any network is selected because sometimes it is selected on ask me every time. So basically sometimes it forgets to ask you should you download it or not, and it just says error. All right, so make sure to put it on like the one which I said. Once you put it on it, if it still doesn't work, the next thing is you want to close your Play Store. Hold on your Play Store icon, click on app info. Once you click on app info, the setting page of your Play Store is gonna open up. Go on storage, click on clear data, click on OK, and all the data of your Play Store is gonna be cleared. Once you do that, just want to open your Play Store again, and it should probably work. By work, I mean it should probably download your Facebook Messenger. So that's how we guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then, have a nice day.